Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I am here with another high weighted chapter which is application of derivative. You can see questions are coming almost 2 to 3 questions every year from this very chapter of calculus and differential equations from PU2 portions, okay, for KCET examination of 2025. So I have taken a total of 30 questions including both the chapters, okay. In that you have PYQs also, you have other questions than the PYQs which are equally important. So we'll solve all of them, okay. I hope you're ready for that. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1 coming our way is on AOD first. So we'll solve first questions on AOD, then we'll move on to differential equations, okay. The distance s in the meters traveled by a particle in t seconds is given as a function, okay. So they've given the function which over here. Basically distance is given here, but we have to consider over here displacement function because we are talking about acceleration, okay. Chaliye. So the acceleration when the particle comes to rest means speed now is 0. Speed is 0. So let's check from here. We can find here ds by dt and put it equal to 0. So we'll have ds by dt as, please check, you'll have a 2t cube is there, no? So you'll have 2 into 3 into t square by 3 minus 18, and that is 0, right? So 3 and 3 is cancelled. I'm getting this as, please check, 2t square minus 18 equal to 0. It means t square minus 9 equals 0. It means t equals to plus minus 3, okay. But time cannot be negative, so 3 seconds. Time cannot be negative, you can't go back, can you? Time has to be plus 3 seconds. What is they asking next? They're asking acceleration, right? So for we know that acceleration is going to be d square s by dt square, second derivative of the velocity. What is the, this is going to be speed, right? So we are looking for acceleration, means derivative of the speed or second derivative of the displacement. Please check. So we'll have this value as, from here we can write, we'll have 4t, so it'll become again 0. So we'll have 4 times of, this value is 3, so 12 centimeter square. Okay, it's not centimeter, it's given as meters, right? Has they given any unit? They have not mentioned any unit, okay? Doesn't matter then. We don't have to write it. Answer will be simply option A. Simply option A. Please check. Okay, they've given the units. Yeah, meter and second. Please check. So option A is correct. Okay. Question number 1, option A is correct. Question number 2 now. A particle moves along the curve given like this. Okay. We have an ellipse. When the rate of change of abscissa is 4 times. Okay, they're saying that dx by dt is 4 times the its ordinate. Okay, so dy by dt. That's what they're saying, right? They're saying rate of change of abscissa means x coordinate is 4 times the rate of change in your ordinate, so y coordinate. That's one given information. So let's do one thing. Let's take this function x square plus 16 y square by 4. Derivative of this will be, please check, 2x. Of course 16 is here, and we'll have dx by dt plus, from here 2y by 4 is here, and we'll have dy by dt. Constant means 0. Constant means 0. So check this out. We have 2 8s, so I get x by 8. dx by dt is from here 4 dy by dt. So right here 4 dy by dt plus, check this out, we have 2 now, so y by 2 dy by dt, okay, equal to 0, dy by dt. Please check, 4 2s are 8, okay, dy will be cancelled, dy by dt, you can take common over here and put it on this side, will be cancelled. Again 2 is also cancelled. I have only x plus y equal to 0, basically y equals to minus x, which will be in the quadrant like this, no? So second and fourth. So particle will lie on this line only, second and fourth quadrant, okay? Option has to be, please check, D, right? D, no? Second and fourth quadrant, option is D. Please cross check, okay? Let me know if you're getting a different answer. If you're getting a different answer, put it that in the comment section, I'll cross check. Question number 2, option is D. Question number 3 now. So before I move on, again I have to ask all of you to join Abhyas KCET test series right now. Okay, we have only not even 2 weeks left. Okay, properly I can say okay maybe 2 weeks are left. Okay, close to that. Then this is our time to practice the questions, bacha. The variety of questions that you can do using Abhyas KCET test series. You have 35 part test and full length test in that. Okay, total of 35 according again in all the 4 sections of physics, chemistry, maths and biology. So you can solve the questions there. You can see the variety of questions, different type of questions. When you solve that, you get confidence. You have the practice with you. Going the examination will be a big tool, big help in your preparation. Okay, so make sure that you have somebody who has purchased this series right now. If you have not, then you can take it at a price of 1498. Let's move on now. So we have question number 3. Please check. An enemy fighter jet is flying along the curve. Okay, all right. Soldier is placed. Okay, chaliye. So wants to shoot down a jet with it is when it is nearest to him. Nearest bancha means there's a curve like this. There's a curve somewhere and he's somewhere here, right? Soldier is placed at this point 3, 2. So some point on this bacha x, y. Whenever this distance is minimum, right? Okay, the person has to fire the or basically shoot down the jet. Chaliye. So we can find the distance. Let's call this to be point A and B. So I can find this distance AB as, please check, root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. I have the value of y minus 2 from here. Please check. I can take from here y minus 2 equals to x square. Y minus 2 equals to x square. So write that over here. I have the distance AB square equals to, please check. Okay, I have taken the AB square, no? So I can remove the root from there now. Okay. So I have now, please check, x minus 3 the square plus x square the square. Okay. I'll call this to be some distance. Let's say capital D. I'll have here x minus 3 square. This has x power 4. So basically I've taken one variable for it. Easier for us to differentiate. Now please check derivative of this d by t. Okay, not t, with x, right? Excuse me, with x. Okay, with x. All right, with x will be 2 times of x minus 3. Again for x you'll get 1 over here. Same thing you're gonna get here, 4x cube. Okay, I'm looking for a critical point, so put it equal to 0. I can take 2 common. I'll have x minus 3 plus 2x cube. 2 is outside, equal to 0. I can take it over here. I get x minus 3 plus 2x cube equal to 0. I can apply hit and trial also, right? I can factorize it, but I think hit and trial will be easier. Please check. If I take x equals to 1, it will be 1 plus 2. 1 and 2 and minus 3. Answer is 0. It means x equals to 1 is a factor. Basically it's one of the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, so x equal to 1 is okay. Now in that case bacha, I can put this x value. This is the critical point. Okay, so if I can try putting the x value over here, please check. I will have this as length AB as 1 minus 3 the square will be 2 square plus 1 minus 2. So basically 1 square. I get this value as 4 plus 1 in the root. Answer is root 5. Answer is root 5. Correct. Please check. Okay, so sometimes you have to trust your instinct, because what happens is if you try to factorize this, it will take more and more time. Okay, so try putting x values as 0, 1 like that. You'll have some values from there. Okay, that's why. Okay, so this is done. 3 is done. Question number 4 now. The function fx is given as log of 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x. Okay, so we have to find this increasing or not, or decreasing, wherever interval going to be. We have to look for the interval where it is increasing. For that we have to find the derivative. Let's find f dash of x first. So you'll have this as 1 upon 1 plus x. That's it of it. Okay, we can't differentiate it any further. Then you'll take minus sign outside. Let's differentiate 2x. You're gonna get 2 over here, and for this you'll have 2 plus x as it is. Minus sign will come. Next you're gonna keep 2x as it is and differentiate 2 plus x. You'll have 1, right? Divided by 2 plus x the whole square. Please check. Now what I'm getting here? I'm getting here 1 plus, okay, 1 upon 1 plus x, and Up here I have plus 2x and minus 2x. So which will be cancelled, bacha? I'll have only 4 left here and 2 plus x the whole square, right? Correct, na? 2 into 2. So 4 and we'll have 2x minus 2x is cancelled. Great. So if I take the LCM now, what I'm getting, please check. I'm getting here 2 plus x the whole square into 1 plus x. Okay. 2 plus x the whole square into 1 plus x. Alright. And I get over the side 2 plus x the whole square minus 4 times of 1 plus x. Okay. So what is it giving me? Have a look. I'll have clear values over here as check. I have 4 plus x square, then I have plus 4x minus 4, and then I have minus 4x, right? Divide by this value 2 plus x square, and then I have 1 plus x. Have a look. I'm getting rid of, bacha, 4 and 4 is cancelled. 4x and 4x is also cancelled. Okay, so I have this value derivative. Please check. Derivative is now I have only x square in the numerator. I'll keep the whole square together. Okay, I have also over here 2 plus x squared together, and there is one value 1 upon, please check, 1 plus x. Think about it. This, sir, the numerator x square is a positive number. This is positive, right? And this is also positive, because x square is going to be either 0 or positive. Okay, so you'll have a positive number here, positive number here. It means only thing, it can never become equal to 0 for that instance. Only when x is 0 it will be 0. Okay, so otherwise what you can take over here, the sign, increasing sign will be there because of this reason. It means 1 plus x has to be greater than equal to 0. Okay, please check. In that case I have x equals to greater than minus 1. So answer will be minus 1 to infinity. Option B is correct, because this is a positive value only, no, positive or 0 value. Okay, so this can be either positive or 0, so only sign change can be happen because of this reason, 1 plus x. So if 1 plus x is positive, means whole thing will be positive only. So I have 1 plus x more than 0, it means x has to be more than minus 1. Option B is correct. Please check. Okay, so yes, in AOD, you know, sometimes you have to apply more logic than, you know, solving the problems. Okay, so fourth is done. Let's move on to question number 5 now. The function fx equals to 4 sine cube x minus 6 sine square x plus 12 sine x plus 100. We are looking for strictly which of them is true. Okay, let's find the derivative for this. So we have Abhyas of x equals to, please check, 12 sine square x cos x, okay, minus 12 sine x cos x, and the last one plus 12 cos x, and this will be 0, sir. I can take 12 cos x common, no? So I'm getting Abhyas of x equals to, please check, 12 cos x is common. I'm having the first term as simply sine square x. Okay, from here I have minus sine x, and from here I have plus 1. Okay, check this out. Sine x can go maximum up to 1. In that case it will become 0 and it will be positive only. Correct, na? If I take maximum value of sine x, it will become 1. It will become 1 minus 1. Okay, that part is 0, and this part will be always positive. So basically this is always greater than equal to 0, and this also is always greater than equal to 0. It means the sign change will be because of only cos x part, only cos x basically. So the sign of derivative will depend upon cos x. Okay, cos x curves you draw. So you have, this is the curve of cos x like this. Please check, positive here and negative here. So in 0 to pi by 2 is positive, sir, and pi by 2 to pi is negative, sir. When it is negative means function is decreasing, because this is derivative, right? Derivative sign will depend upon cos x. Cos x is negative over here, it means decreasing. Cos x is positive over here, it means increasing. So in the interval 0 to pi by 2 it will be increasing in nature. Pi by 2 to pi will be decreasing in nature. So answer is going to be D. We are looking for strictly decreasing, right? That's why I'm keeping the brackets open. I'm keeping the brackets open. I hope you get it. Answer is, please check, D. Option D is correct. Check here, the graph part is negative, no, in this reason, pi by 2 to pi. Get it? This is the graph of cos x. Okay, 5 is done. Question number 6 now. The trigonometric function y equal to tan x in the second quadrant means from pi by 2 to pi, right? Please check, graph of tan, this is from 0 This is minus pi by 2 doesn't require for us, and this is bacha pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Next set again we'll start from here, right? Correct now? You'll be again what's the pi only, right? You'll have pi over here. So from pi by 2 it's coming from negative infinity to 0. It is increasing, right? Increasing from negative infinity to 0. Value was negative infinity at value pi by 2. Going to pi, second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi value is increasing from negative infinity to 0. Answer is going to be increasing from negative infinity to 0. Option D looks good. Increasing from negative infinity to 0. Option D is correct. 6th is done. 7th now. That's why I keep telling you guys, graph is very important, whether it is ITF, trigonometric function, you have to remember all of that. Okay, see, we're doing with AOD, but we are using trigonometric function that we learnt in grade or PU1, grade 11 or PU1. We are using it over here to get 1 marks. Okay, was it a P by Q? It's a P by Q, see, asked in 2022. So if you know the graphs, you score 1 marks. You learned in PU1, 1 mark is here. Can you call this question to be AOD applications? No need, sir. This is a question of trigonometric functions, right? So that's why everything that is there in these chapters, no? When I say chapter is based upon this chapter, is very important. Okay, so please revise those. Starting of those chapters, like trigonometric function is there, PNC is there, ITF is there, relation function is there, sets is there. They will be helping you in other chapters. Okay. Question number 7 now. A circular plate of radius 5 cm is heated. Okay, due to expansion, its radius increases at the rate of, it means dr by dt is given 0.05. Unit is there, we'll see the rate at which the area is increasing. Okay, we're looking for, please check, we're looking for dA by dt na. So we'll have pi r square derivative, so you'll have 2 pi r, correct, dr by dt. By derivative of pi r square, area is pi r square for circular plate. So pi is a constant, derivative of r square will be 2r only, right? So 2 pi r, getting it, right? dr by dt, we have 2 into pi into r value, please check. R value is 5.2, right? Yeah, 5.2 actually. 5.2, and what is this going to be? dr by dt is 0.05, है ना? dr by dt is 0.05. Multiply these two, you'll have 0.1 pi into 5.2, so 0.52 pi. Sir, why not, sir, this 5 over here they have given, sir? Why not this 5? Bacha, because they're asking you what? The rate at which its area is increasing when the radius is over here. Not the initial condition. Okay, the rate is changing, right? We're talking about the condition where the radius is currently 5.2, expansion is occurring, right? So we have to take 5.2 only, understand it? Okay, answer is 0.52. Moving on to question number 8 now. So the local minimum value of the function, okay, of the f dash they're asking f dash, right? So first find fx is given as, please check, 3 plus x, 3 minus x when x is positive, x is negative, so I get f dash bacha will be, please check, 1 and minus 1 na, for both the conditions. So minimum maximum both will be 1 only, right? Please check. Yeah, 1 only. Okay, because if you differentiate you'll get both 0 na. Okay, answer will be C, sir. Please check. Okay, moving on to question number 9 now. Okay, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circle at a speed of, again sir, circle speed means the thing is wave is like this, like this, like this. What is happening, sir? Radius is moving na, radius is changing, sir. It means basically they have given dr by dt as, please check, 5 centimeter, no, 5. Unit is there but we will not take, it's okay, we have to get the answer right. Okay, unit is given 5 centimeter per second, doesn't matter for us. When the radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast the enclosed area is increasing? Same concept, dA by dt will become the same thing, 2 pi r dr by dt. How we get this? By differentiating pi r square. Okay, we have the values now, so please multiply. 2 is there, pi is there. What is the r value, bacha? R is given as 8, right? R is given as 8 centimeters, please check. So 8 is there, and this value over here, excuse me, this value over here is nothing but 5. So right here 5, I get 8 times 10, so 80 pi. 80 pi, option D is correct. Option D is correct. Question number 9 is done. Question number 10 now. A balloon which always remains spherical, okay, being inflated by pumping. Oh, volume change is given, bacha. Pumping what? Volume, you know, your air you want to pump in. So volume is increasing, okay. dV by dt is given. Please check, you have per second only, so dV by dt is given 10. Okay, we have the formula for V, right? So we have the formula for V. Okay, so going to be 4 by 3 pi r cube derivative. Correct now? Will be given as 10. We'll have 4 by 3 pi r square, and you have of course 3r square, no? Derivative of r cube will be 3r square, okay? And of course you'll have dr by dt equals to 10. What are they asking, sir? Find the rate at which the radius is increasing, okay? They're asking dr by dt only, right? This is the unknown value over here. Please check. 3 and 3 is cancelled. I'm looking for dr by dt. Okay. Now what we're gonna do on this side? Please check. You'll have dr by dt equals to 10 upon 4 pi r square. I hope nobody has confusion about this part. Sir, why not 10 becomes 0? Okay. So derivative you're taking, it's equals to 0, sir. 10 constant 0. No, bacha. We're not taking derivative of the entire equation. We're taking only for this part. Okay. See here, already taken derivative. This is after derivative, okay? This is after the derivative. 10 values after derivative, okay? So please check. Now I can put the values over here. Because what happens now, while solving questions, students might have this kind of doubts, okay? They see one thing and they try to think about it. So that's okay. But I hope you are able to get the right things. 515 square will be 225 now, okay? So I'll have 5 to the 10, 5 for the 20, 5 for the 25, 2 to the 4, I get 1 upon 45 into 2 is 90. Pi is the value of dr by dt. dr by dt. Okay. So please check. C. Right answer is option C. Correct answer is option C. Okay. 1 by 90 pi. Great. Question number 11 now. If x is x is real, then the minimum value of x square. Minimum value of this, okay? So to minimize it, so we have x square minus 8x plus 17. Y dash will become, please check, 2x minus 8. Put it equal to 0, I get x value as 4. Put x value in this, okay, we have only 1. It has to be minimum value only. So we'll have, please check, 4 square minus, so y value, bacha, this is going to be y minima, okay? I have only one critical point, looking for minima. There's no, nothing given as not defined or something like that. It means the option has to be the answer for the minimum value. Put here 4 square minus 8 times of 4 plus 17. I get 16 minus 32 plus 17. This will be 33, right? So I have 1 as the answer. Answer is 1. C is correct. Please check. C is correct. Moving on to question number 12 now. So we have the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius. So dA by dr they are asking. It means it will be simply 2 pi r. Okay. R value is given as 2. It means 2 pi times of 2. How much is that going to be? 4 pi, na? 4 pi, right? Option D looks good. Please check. A value, bacha, is nothing but pi r square. Now differentiate it, you have 2 pi r. Okay. R is given as 2. It means 4 pi is the answer. Please cross check if I'm giving any any answer incorrect. Let me know question number and the option. If you feel that question number 12 is D or something else, you let me know. I'll just cross check and we'll discuss in the comment section. Okay. So 12th is done. D is the correct option. 13 now. The function given like this is strictly increasing. They're asking. Okay. Derivative will find first to find the value of the critical point. So we get 2x plus 2. We have only 1. Okay. So we have putting this equal to 0, we'll get x equals to minus 1, right? Number line minus 1, oh sorry, minus 1 over here, no? Minus 1 over here. Excuse me. Minus 1 over here. We're looking for increasing. Coefficient is positive, so plus minus. Okay, increasing means minus 1 to infinity. Correct now? Option A is right. 13 option A is right. Increasing option A is right. Okay. Why can't we take option D, bacha? We are looking for strictly increasing. Okay. There's a difference. Okay. Strictly means we cannot include the 0 part. Okay. That's why minus 1 is excluded over here. It can't be the option. D is not right. Writing minus 1 to infinity closed over here, open here will be incorrect. Minus 1 is not included in this case. Please check. That's why I've taken this option. Okay, chaliye. So 14th now. So we have the rate of change of volume of a sphere. Okay, volume with surface area. So basically they are saying that dV by ds will be, sir, dV by dr, parametric form, sir, by ds by dr. So derivative of volume is going to be 4 by 3 pi r cube with dr divided by 4 pi r square is the surface area. Please check. I hope you all know this. Formula for volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and for surface area is 4 pi r square. Derivative will be which? Please check. You will have this value as 4 pi r square, the numerator, and this will be 8 pi r. Please check. You get 3 r cube, 3 r square. No, 3 and 3 will cancel. So 4 pi r square and 8 pi r. 4 pi and this cancels with 2. You get this also cancelled. You have the value as r by 2. R by 2. So what they have given? R is given as 4, right? So you get this value as 4 by 2. Answer will turn out to be 2 only. So what is the value? Option A is correct. 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square. This is for the volume part and this is for the surface area part. Please check. Okay. So option A is correct for 14th one. 15th now. The maximum value of this. Maximum we have to find out. Let's apply this. Y equals to 1 upon x to the power x. Apply log. We get log of y equals to x log of 1 by x. Okay, differentiate. We'll have 1 by y dy by dx equals to, please check, for x you'll have 1, so we keep it like this. You get log of 1 by x. This time put a plus sign, keep x as it is. Now you have to take log of 1 by x. What are you going to get? Please check. You will have 1 upon 1 by x, and derivative of 1 by x will be nothing but, please check, minus 1 upon x square. Minus 1 upon x square. Okay. So I have, please check what I have, bacha. I have log 1 by x, minus sign is there. This x goes up. I get x square upon x square. This is x square, right? Cancel, cancel. I get log of 1 by x equals to minus 1. Okay. Multiply this with y. I get this value as dy by dx. Moving this y on this side actually. So y will be multiplied. Okay. This is a exponential function, will never be 0. Will never be 0. So if you put it equal to 0, what will happen? You will have this bracket as equal to 0. This will be equal to 0. So you get log of 1 by x minus 1 becomes equal to 0. Sorry. Minus 1 become equal to 0. Excuse me, I've taken one bracket by mistake. Alright. So let's continue. I get log of 1 by x equals to 1. It means apply e now. Apply exponent on both sides. We get 1 by x equals to e power 1. So basically 1 by x equals to e. So we get x equals to 1 by e. Okay. Use the condition what we're looking for. Maximum value, right? So you'll have 1 by x as e and x as simply 1 by e, right? X as simply 1 by e. That's your answer. E power 1 by e is the answer. E power 1 by b, which is nothing but option C is the correct answer. Excellent question. This is your y max. Please check. Okay. Question number 16 now. 15 was done. Got it? 16th now. So we have y equal to x power x has stationary point. Okay. So let's look for it same way. We're looking for a critical point actually. So you will have, please check, x power x, apply the condition of log. Whenever you see exponent, no, or multiplication, apply log. When in division, apply log. Log y equal to x log of x. So I have 1 by y dy by dx equals to log x plus 1, right? Because if you do for x, you get it as 1, keeping log x as it is, and this time you're going to keep x as it is and do for log x. You'll have 1 by x. Please check. You'll have x as it is and 1 by x. Cancel, cancel. You have only 1 left. Okay. So I get derivative as x power x, I'm taking this y on this side. What is the value of y? X power x. So x power x log of x plus 1, putting equal to 0 to get the critical point. Basically, stationary point, we get log of x plus 1 equal to 0. Excuse me, it looks messy. So log of x plus 1 will write, excuse me, log of x plus 1 will write. From here I get log of x equals to minus 1. Now take e on both sides, we get, please check, we'll have x equals to e power minus 1. It means x equals to 1 by e, right? X equals to 1 by e. Option B looks good. Again, I'm telling you, if I'm getting any option wrong, incorrect, let me know in the comment section, okay? So I'll just cross check that part, okay? 16th option B is correct. 17th now. I've tried not to make any mistake, but if I have made any, let me know. 17th now, the maximum area of a rectangle in a circle. And this is possible only if it is, bacha, only if it is a square actually. Yeah, that's a property. This is true only if it is a square. So let's draw a circle. Okay. So the quadrilateral in this or rectangle in this will have maximum area only if it is a square, sir. In that case, what is going to be happening? Please check. You will have this as my diameter of the, what do you call, of the circle. So what is that going to be? Please check here. The r value is 8 over here, no? Because the formula is, please check, 8 a square. Okay, the center will be minus 1 and 3, right? X minus minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square. So minus 1 comma 3 is my center and radius is 8. So I get this as 8 plus 8. 16. Let's say this side will be a and a only, right? How come, sir? Because this rectangle, bacha, will be actually square. Will be actually square, sir. Okay. Okay. In that case, what I'm getting, please check. I'll have 16 square equals to a square plus a square. How come? Diameter, this will be 90 degrees, sir. Diameter, na? 90 degree. Then only we can say this as a rectangle or a square. Okay. So we have this condition as 2a square equals to 256. So divide this. A square 128. So I'm getting a square as 128. Now a square with a side a and a. What is the area? A square is coming as 128. Option will be B. So this is coming as, okay, sorry, the option C, which actually option C is the, I've written here option B actually. I'll just change that, 1 second. I'll just change that. This should be option C actually, my mistake. This should be option C, sir. Okay. Option C is the right option and your answer is option C only. Please check. 128. This is the right answer. Okay. Have a look. Okay. Question number 17 is done. Right. Property is in a circle, the rectangle area is maximum when it is actually a square. It is actually a square. So that's why you'll have this condition true. A square plus a square will become equal to 16 square. 8 plus 8 is 16, right? This is because this part is also radius. This also is radius, sir. And radius is 8 from here by comparing from the standard form of the circle. Moving on to question number 18 now. Solve the initial value problem, okay, for this differential equation. Please check what I'm getting, bacha. I can write like this, no? We'll have dx by dy equal to tan inverse of y upon 1 plus y square and minus x upon 1 plus y square, right? Move this expression on this side, we get dx by dy plus x upon 1 plus y square equals to tan inverse of y upon 1 plus y square, correct? Okay. So now from here I can see p value is 1 upon 1 plus y square, and this is my whole thing is my q value. Okay. So my integrating factor will be nothing but e power 1 upon 1 plus y square dy integral, and this will be nothing but e power tan inverse of y. E power tan inverse of y. Okay. Chaliye. So I can write this answer over here, please check. I'll have x times of e power tan inverse of y equals to integral of same thing e power tan inverse of y, the if, into q. What is q, sir? Same thing, tan inverse of y upon 1 plus y square dy is there. Now if you in this case, if you actually take this tan inverse of y as t, you will have derivative as dy by 1 plus y square. That's the derivative, right? If you differentiate, you'll have 1 upon 1 plus y square times dy will be equal to dt. So we can replace this. We'll have x e power, I can write here as t also. If you want, I can take this as e power t. We have over here t and dt. The standard form, right? We get for this integral is going to be by parts. We get the result like this. Remember, e power t, t minus e power t, correct? Of course, plus c is there. From I can take e power t common, I get t minus 1 plus c. I have x e power t. Divide everything by t, what I get? X equals to t minus 1 plus c e power minus t. Correct, right? I'm dividing everything by actually e power t. Please check. I'm dividing everything by e power t. So I get c by e power t will become c times of e power minus t. C times of e power minus t, and this will be like this. So I can take it on the side. I get x minus t plus 1 equals to c e power minus t. Bring it back. I get x minus t plus 1. I have e power t, of course, over here equals to c. Put the values back. I get, please check. I'm putting the values back. X is as it is, x minus t. So tan inverse of t is nothing but tan inverse of t. Or tan inverse of y. So x minus tan inverse of y, and we have plus 1, so put here plus 1, and times of e power, same thing, tan inverse of y equals to c, sir. Any option like this? Please check. Option D is the correct option. Option D is the correct option. Got it? It's an excellent question. Okay. Chaliye. I can find the value of, okay, I forgot to find the value of, they've given, please check y is 0 equal to 0, okay. If you do that, no, you get c value as 1. You put here x as 0, y as 0, you'll get this value, please check. Okay. So I've taken this already. If you take this value as 0, no, you'll have 0. Please check, you'll have 0, 0. This will be also 1, because this is x is 0 means this is 0. Tan inverse of 0 is 0, sir. This will also be e power 0 means 1. You'll have 1 over here, c will come out as 1. Please check. Do one thing, put x and y as 0. X is 0, y is 0. Okay, put it over here. You get x as 0, tan inverse of y again 0 will be 0 only. You have only 1 left in the bracket. E power 0 will be 1, right? So c will come out as, this c will come out as 1, bacha. That's why you can see this one is over here. Anyway, we don't need it right now, do we? Because we need to get the right option, right? And after doing all of this, we can see the clearly option is option D. 18 answer is option D. Question number 19 now. Okay, question number 19 now. The product of the degree and order. Product is asking, right? So degree order is, bacha, order is 2 and degree is also 2. Please check here. Order is 2, degree is 2. Answer will be 4. Product they are asking. Product, please check. Product is 4. Option A is correct. 20 now. The order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating constants. Okay, so please check. I can write this as c1 y equals to, I can write this to bacha as simply one constant a, and it will become e power x into e power c4. I can write e power c4 and a as one constant. So right here c1 y equals to simply b e power x. Okay, now I can see from here, please check, I can move this e power x on this side. So I'll have y e power minus x equals to b by c1. I can write this as one constant k. Okay, so I get y e power minus x equals to k. I have only one constant actually. It means 1 degree. Okay, it means one order. We have to differentiate only once. Okay, answer will be D, sir. Okay, differentiate only once. That's good enough. Okay, answer is D. 21 now. The solution of this equation, dy by dx minus 1 equal to e power x minus y. Okay, this is the problem, right? Let's do one thing. We'll use substitution. X minus y equal to t will put. Differentiate now. We get 1 minus dy by dt equals to dt by dx. From here I get dy by dt. Sorry, dy by dx, right? By dt. Dx, no? dy by dx actually. Yeah. So dy by dx equals to, please check, 1 minus dt by dx, right? Okay, I can move on this side, no? So 1 minus dt by dx. So put it over here now. What I'm getting, I have 1 minus dt by dx minus 1 equals to e power t. Please check now. I have this cancelled. I can get now dt by e power t equals to minus dx. Please check. The answer will be e power minus t upon minus 1 equals to minus x. So I'll have e power minus t equals to x. Okay. So I can see over here, I'm getting this value as, okay, of course you'll have plus c over here, plus c. So e power minus x, sorry, x minus y, no, not minus x, x minus y equals to x plus c. So giving me this value as e power minus x plus y equals to x plus c. Any option like this? Option D is right. Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct. Okay. E power minus x plus y. Okay. Because I have a bracket, no. So minus x and minus will become plus. So minus x plus y, and we have x and plus c on this side. Please check. I can cross multiply, no. So I'll have minus 1 into minus x as plus x. This is a plus. It will become minus c, but it's a constant, right? I can keep it again as plus c only. Doesn't matter. Okay. So 21 is done. 22 now. If yx is the solution of the given d, okay, find the value of ye. Excellent question. Please check. Divide by bacha x log x. Okay, divide by x log x. What I'm getting? I'm getting here dy by dx equals to, please check, y upon x log x. Okay, equals to 2. Because if you divide it, you'll get x log x over here, and this will be cancelled. You have only 2 on the q side. This is the value of q, and your p is nothing but, please check, e power 1 upon x log x dx. So what we can do about this? E upon, I can take log x as t, no? It will become dt by t. If I take log x as t means you'll have 1 by x dx as dt. Please check. If I take log x as t, so you'll have 1 by x dx as dt. So dx is there, 1 by x is there. So you'll have dt by t. So what are you gonna get? You're gonna get this if as, please check, e power log t. You'll have this simply as t. What's t value? Log of x. So your if is nothing but log of x. This is the value of if. Please check. Log of x is the value of if. Now write the answer. So you'll have the solution as y times of log x equals to integration of 2 is there with log x dx. We have to apply the by parts over here. So 2 is a constant, keep it outside. Log x is the first function, LA, right? I let. So ILATE. So log has a preference over algebra. So take log as it is. You'll have log x over here, and then integrate 1. Nothing is there means 1 is there. Okay, by parts I'm applying. Nothing is there means 1 is there, sir. Nothing is there means I can write here simply 1. 1 integration will be just simply, please check, x. This is the first part. Second, you'll have a minus sign. Differentiate log x. You'll have 1 by x over here, and integrate 1 again. You'll have x over there with dx. Please check. This is cancelled, right? This part is cancelled. So what I'm getting over here, I'm getting here, please check, y log x equals to 2 times of, please check, x log x and minus integration of dx, right? So become simply x. Of course, plus c is there. Okay, plus c is there. I have to find the value of c, then only I can find value of ye. I have log, right? So put x equals to 1 because log 1 is 0. So put x equals to 1 everywhere. You get y times of 0 equals to 2 times of 0 minus 1 plus c, right? Okay, so I'm getting here 0 equals to minus 2 plus c. It means value of c is coming out as 2 bacha. Okay, put the answer. We'll have y log of x equals to 2 times of x log x minus x plus c. Now put, we are looking for y of e, right? So we'll put this as log of e will be 1, sir. This is when y at x equals to e. Y at x equals to e, sir. So we have y of 1, log e is 1, 2 times of, we get e, log e is going to be again 1 minus e plus 2. C is actually 2 now over here, please check. This c is 2, sir, over here. I get e and e cancelled, simply my answer is coming as 2. So y when at e is coming at 2. Y e is coming at 2. Please check. Okay. This is clear now. This is not y of 1. This is e only actually. Log x will be, log e will be 1 now. Okay. So answer will be 2. Option B is correct. Please check. 22, option B is correct. Excellent question. A very, very, very good question. Please check. Okay. It's a PYQ. 2022 is asked. So you can expect a question like this. Good question. Okay. Challenging problem. Chaliye. This is done. 22 is done. 23 now. We have the sum of the degree and the order. Degree and the order. Okay. We have the fractional power. So take one thing out. Y square is there. Take 2 by 3 is there. So take the whole cube. On both sides I get y2 the whole cube. Shall get rid of this. I'm getting 1 plus y square. The square equals to y2 the cube. So your order, bacha, please check. Your order is the second derivative, no? 2. Degree, please check. Highest power of the order, 3. What are they asking? Sum. That's 2 plus 3. Answer will be 5. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. Chaliye. 23 is done. 24 now. We're looking for sum and product. Sum and of the order and degree. Order was 2. Highest power was 3. It means 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. Order and degree. Order and degree. Okay. Okay. Y equals to I have x dy by dx plus 2 upon dy by dx. Okay. Let's do one thing. Take this value as c. xc plus 2 by c. Take the LCM. You have xc square plus 2 upon c. We have y. We get yc equals to xc square plus 2. Put the values now back. We have y dy by dx equals to, please check. We have x times of dy by dx the whole square plus 2. So your order is 1 and degree is highest power of the order 2. Answer should be option A 1 2. Option A 1 2. Okay. 2014 problem. It was asked in PYQ 2014. 25 now. Find the order and degree. Order is 2. Order is 2. Degree not defined because sign function of the derivative is not possible. Only polynomial of derivative. For degree to be defined, you should have polynomial of dy by dx's. Okay, derivatives. Please check. So option D is correct. Order is 2, degree not defined. Degree not defined. Okay. 25 is done. 26 now. See, the solution of the differential equation given like this represents family of what? Okay. We can write here dy by dx minus y upon x equal to 3 upon x. Okay. So your p value is minus 1 upon x and q value is 3 upon x. Please check. So I'm going to get this value of if as e power minus 1 upon x integration with dx. I get e power ln x. My sign is there. It means basically x power minus 1 basically 1 by x. Basically 1 by x. Okay. That's my if. So value will be y times of 1 by x equals to 1 by x times of 3 by x. And we have of course dx over here. So you'll have please check y upon x equals to you have integration of 3 upon x square dx, right? So you'll have minus 3 upon x actually. Upon x integration is going to be this only plus c. We have y x, we have multiply with x, you're going to get y equals to minus 3 plus cx. Basically y plus 3 equal to cx. It's a straight line, right? It's a straight line, sir. Option will be A because linear form, no? X power 1, y power 1. So linear form, okay? Option is A. 26 is done. 27 now, okay? So 26 is done. Have a look. 27. Integrating factor of this. Integrating factor of this. dy by dx I have plus y is there. 1 by x plus y by x is there. I have to move this on this side. So I get dy by dx plus y is common. 1 minus 1 by x. I have upon 1 plus x. Okay, 1 upon x. We are looking for integrating factor means e power integration of 1 minus 1 by x dx. What I get, bacha? I get e power, please check, x minus ln x, right? Okay, so what I'm getting over here, I'm getting this value as, this is my integrating factor, right? This is my integrating factor actually. So I have this value as e power x upon e power ln x. What I get? E power x upon simply x, because ln x and ln and e will cancel the effect. We'll have e power x upon x. Option is C, right? Option is C. Please check. Option is C, bacha. Okay, done. Question 27 is done. 28 now. 28th problem. Let's solve it. So far it's easy, but you can see the questions have been relevant to, very relevant to your PYQs also. Okay, we have taken a lot of PYQs over here in the session, because the questions, the concept over here in DE, if you check, you'll have LDE. In DE, important topics, sir, we'll have LDE. Some questions can come from HD also, homogeneous differential equation, and questions on order and what do you call, degree. Order degree problems are there. And apart from these three options, you also have questions in integrating factors. That's all, again based upon LDE only. So these are the important topics. You can see the trend is there. So please solve these questions. Okay, please solve these questions. Let me remove all of it and we'll start again. So we have 28 now, the integrating factor of the differential equation. Okay, let's do it. So we have, please check, I can write this as 2x plus 3y square upon y. Okay, and this side I have dx upon dy. Okay, I can write this as 2xy plus 3y equals to dx upon dy. I'll move this, what I get? Yeah, plus, no? This is plus only, right? 2x upon y, right? Yeah, so move this on this side. I get here 3y equals to, please check, dx upon dy, and I have minus 2x upon y. So your p value from here, please check, your p value is nothing but minus 2 upon y. This is your p value, minus 2 upon y. Okay, so my integrating factor will become, have a look, e power minus 2 is there, 1 by y dy. What I get? Minus 2 ln y, e power ln y, right? We have what we have, e and ln will cancel the effect. We have y power minus 1 by 2. What I get? 1 by y square is the value of my integrating factor. Have a look. 28 is done. Option D is right. Option D is correct. Okay, we have minus 2 now, it will come in at the power of y, you will get y power minus 1 by 2. Answer is D. 28 is done now. 29 now. Okay, the order and degree, order of the differential equation, order bacha. Okay, we have to look for the how many derivative we have to find out. Please check, we have y equals to, I can take e power x common over here. I'll have c1 e power c2 plus c3 e power c4, right? I can write this as one constant a, right? So I get y equals to e power x a. It means only one constant. It means order is 1, sir. Option A is correct. Order is 1, sir. Even though it looks like more than one constant, actually it's going to be only one if you combine all these constants. C1 e power c2, c3 e power c4. It's one constant a. So answer is option A, 1. 30 now. General solution of the differential equation. Okay, how do you solve it? Okay, let's do one thing. Divide by x square dx. What I get? I get here dy by, I'm dividing everything by x square dx. So I get dy by dx. I get here minus 2 upon x y, minus 2 upon x y. I have here x square cos x, x square cos x, right? Okay. So if I do the, I get p value as minus 2 by x actually. So I get this value of integrating factor as, please check, e power minus 2 is outside, integrating of 1 by x dx. I get same condition, right? So I have e power minus 2 ln x. So I have x power minus 2. It means 1 upon x square is the value of my integrating factor. Value of my integrating factor. Okay. So let's find the answer now. I have y times of same value x square equals to integration of this if only 1 by x square times q. Q is, sir, x square cos x. Of course dx is there. Since this is cancelled, have a look what I'm getting. I'm getting y upon x square. Integration of cos is, sir, okay, we'll have this as sin x plus c. Y upon x square is there. It means y equals to x square sin x plus cx square. Option like this. x square sin x plus cx square. Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct. Okay, so this completes your top 30 questions. I hope this was visible, right? Yeah. So this completes your top 30 questions from the chapter AOD and differential equation. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. Whatever your feedback, let me know that in the comment section of this video. I hope to see you again very soon. Till then, you have to keep working hard. If you've just watched the session, do one thing: take pauses in the videos and solve all the questions. Okay, you can get the solutions of or the PDF of this session in the WhatsApp channel. I hope you've joined it already. So get the PDF of the session and solve all the questions once again. Okay, these are very good questions, so please solve it. I've taken some of the problem which is very challenging. If you solve it, then only you can get the hang of it. Okay, so please solve all these questions, and then you'll be very comfortable in any questions coming your way from these two chapters, AOD and differential equations. So with this, I'm going to end the session today. Keep working hard, keep smiling, take care of yourself. Bye bye.